Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating problem that many developers encounter when working with Java streams. The issue at hand arises when using the collect method with parallel streams, causing unexpected results when trying to merge elements. It's quite the conundrum, but fear not, we'll explore the intricacies together. In understanding the solution to this problem, we refer to the JavaDocs of stream hack collect, which emphasize the importance of the combiner function in merging partial result containers. This function specifically requires folding elements from the second result container into the first, which plays a crucial role in ensuring the correct outcome. By adhering to the contract of methods like add_all, where elements are added from one container to another, we can guarantee the expected behavior during parallel stream processing. Solution aside, it's fascinating to see how parallel streams handle processing in chunks across multiple threads, ultimately necessitating a merging mechanism to combine the results. By following the established guidelines and utilizing the correct lambda expressions, we ensure that elements are appropriately merged to produce the desired output. Remember, it's all about understanding the underlying mechanisms at play. To wrap things up, we've uncovered the intricacies of working with parallel streams in Java and how the combiner function plays a pivotal role in achieving the desired outcome. I hope you found this exploration insightful and helpful in navigating similar challenges in your own coding endeavors. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights, like the video if you enjoyed it, and drop a comment with your thoughts or any coding dilemmas you'd like us to tackle next. Happy coding! And until next time.